Hey everyone, it's Shelly from Shelly Creates It. I'm a crafty creator and a passionate teacher, always up for a new challenge. Today I'm making the A+ content that goes on my KDP book listing for my newest book. Let's get creative together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join me on this 25-day creative adventure. I didn't log very much, just the dog walk, so there was 8 seconds. Anyways, I'm going to walk you guys through how I upload the A+ content to my book on KDP. So I hope you find that helpful. Thanks so much for watching. You go over to marketing and then click on A+ content, and you're going to choose your country of choice. Like here's mine that I just uploaded. And I have templates for it, so I've got them ready to go here. I images, I created these in Canva, but I know for sure I want this one to be on there. That includes a lot of stuff. I'm just going to play around with it till you get it. My best is on the next thing. I'm going to select all of the artboards, because now in Photoshop you can do artboards. If you have been working in Photoshop for a while, then that's super cool. Export artboards to files. It's going to do its magic. All right, check it out. Oh, yay. Okay, cool. ASIN. And then you're going to come back over to that KDP and you're going to start creating KDP content. Next, apply ASIN. You're going to go there, add a module. And I know I'm going to need just a full image. And then upload. All right, and then I'm gonna use ChatGPT to create that. website in, so click that. And then apply. And then you go to review and submit. That's what it looks like on mobile. Let's see like on desktop. Submit. Oh, that's right. All right, and most of the time it gets approved really quickly. So there's that, and when that gets approved, it'll show up down here somewhere, and then you're ready to go. Cool. All right.